Okay guys, this box I have been so excited for. It's one of those limited edition one-time box from Fat Quarter Shop. And sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. This is the first time I'm getting the spooky box. I did order the Jolly box for this year, so stay tuned for that later on. But anyway, this came again while I was gone on vacation. So let's get into it. I am so excited. All right, here we go. The spooky box, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. I'm not even sure if it's still available, but let's get into it. This is the button box lime small. And let's see how, oh, it's a screw top. Super cute. Can put anything in here. Maybe I'll put some of my Wonder clips. Not sure yet. I'm always looking for containers and love the color, of course, Halloween. Let's see what the retail values are. So, lime green button shaped box. This retails for $3.58. As usual, I'll put all the information below. How much it costs, blah, 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 and what the retail value is. Okay. Next, glow in the dark. Oh, yeah. I also make cards. If you didn't know, I have a store called Stampin' Munchkins where I sell stamp-related, you know, stamps and accessories. Please go check it out, www.stampinmunchkins.com. I'll list it below too. But anyway, I like using thread in my card, so this will come in handy. I like stitching. And this retails for $4.48. And there's 8 scary colors available, but we got the one. It's from Wonderfil, and we got the orange one. Okay, that's cute. Here is a pattern called Patchy Pumpkins. Limited edition box exclusive pattern. Finish size is 16.5 by 50.5. I guess it could be a table runner or a wall hanging. And yeah, it's a table runner. And it tells you what's in my box, so we'll get into that. And I'm assuming we'll use this for that, maybe for quilting. So this one retails for $9.98. Okay. Next is a Moda ... Boo, which I got in another box, or in the holiday. So now I have extra, so that's cool. And this is from, looks like me and my sister. Me and my sister designs from Moda Fabrics. Limited edition box exclusive. And it includes 22 10-inch squares. So that's good. FQS retail is $19.98. If you guys watched my other video, I did get this in my holiday Fat Quarter Club, monthly Fat Quarter Club. So it's the same, but I love this fabric. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5 orange backed. 1, 2, 3, and it's like a bright orange. 4, 5, and then white backing. So kitty cat, so that's 1, 2 kitty cats, 1, 2 spiders, polka dot, I think it looks like 5 each, dot to dot, and 5, well, I don't know, might be more than 5, black, 1, 2, so I didn't get some of these in the other, so it's good, 4, 5, so it looks like 2 of the rickrack, and 2 of the dot to dot, and yeah, and then 2 more whites. Okay, so cool. I really like this fabric, so I'm happy with that. And again, oh look, all over the place. That retails for $19.98. Special spooky box edition, silky spooky blend, 80/20. So not quite sure why it's spooky, but I guess because it's a table runner size. And that retails for $4.98. So that's it for this box. I do like it. Again, I forget how much it costs, so I'll put all the information below. And I hope you enjoy. Let's see if there's any coupon codes. There is. I can get 20% off my $100 purchase or 10% off a $50 purchase. And it expires November 15th, so I still have time to use it. Okay, thanks again. Bye.